Let's hit a couple of calls. Uber, the target gets cut by $5 at Morgan Stanley. Joe, you have this both in the T and personally.
I do.
And the target also, I should say, got raised at Loop by $5. So it went from 115 to 110 at Morgan Stanley. It goes to 115 from 110 at Loop.
It's kind of in this range between 80 and 100. I think you said you sold out of some of it.
In 95.
Right.
Yep.
Good sale. It looks like it's pushing back towards the upper end of the range. I think you kind of just have to sit and wait with this stock as we move through 2026. $80 is a really critical swing area. That was previous resistance. We went down and tested it in November, and we held, and that's why you're getting this little bit of a rebound right now. So I think it's more of a 2026 story, and you just have to bide your time patiently.
Give me something real quick on Carvana. I bring it up because it's being added to the S&P. The target goes to 455 from 385 at Bank of America. What do you think? I would venture to guess that a few years ago, if you would have told somebody that Carvana was going to be added to the S&P, as the short interest in that name was like, I feel like it was among the largest on the street, or certainly in the ball game, and now they're being added to the S&P 500.
Yeah, so in 2022 we were talking about debt defaults and potential bankruptcy.
Yeah, back this up, guys. Longer. I want to see. I don't know. Let's look at like a 3-year maybe.
So
I'm not sure if that's going to do the job.
It was a very difficult environment in 2022. And look, I'm going to be candid. I was wrong when we.
Let's do a 5-year. Go ahead, George.
When we purchased this on Halloween, and it went into the ETF, I greeted it with skepticism. I spoke about it on air with you, and I said to you, wow, it really has to prove itself. It's up 43% since we made the purchase. Now, a lot of the reasons behind is the profitability. It is a company that is gathering significant market share. They have the relationship with Ally. They're now diversifying that where they're less reliant on that overall. And the argument has always been, okay, the macro environment is going to be the challenges. Rates are going to be the challenges for this company. But I think they're executing. And I think there's something about the company that actual specific execution is the reason why you're seeing the appreciation and the revenue growth. And now, congratulations to them, the inclusion in the S&P.
That has to be one of the best looking stock turnaround stories that we could think about in recent history. For certain, where in the depths of late 22 to 23 to getting into the S&P 500 at the precipice of 26, that's something.